again, it's Hannah with Truly Nolan with another one of our Truly crafts. Today we are going to be making this sweet little candy cane mouse holder that you can hang around your house for the holidays. And you can find the template for this along with your supply list on our website at trulynolan.com. You'll go to the top portion on the right and click on the About Us tab, scroll all the way down on the left, and you'll find our free printable activities tab. There you'll find some of our other fun crafts as well. Let's get into it. All right, so once you have printed out your template online, you can go ahead and cut that out. And then some of the other supplies that you're going to need to make your candy cane mice are a piece of pink cardstock, which would be for the inner ear and the nose. You can use another color, of course. And then a piece of gray cardstock that's going to be what we trace our body and our ears onto. Then you'll also want a glue stick, a pencil, permanent marker or black marker, a pair of scissors, a hole punch, and a candy cane. And then only with adult supervision, you can use an X-Acto knife along with a cutting mat or a cutting board to do some of the more intricate cuts along these score lines. So let's go ahead and get into it. With our template that we got, you can go ahead and just place that over on your gray cardstock to trace out your body. You're also going to do the exact same thing with your ears on there as well. We do have a finished one over here just to make things go a little quicker for everyone. And a quick tip when you are tracing these out, on these score marks where you're going to cut later, go ahead and press rather hard with your pencil, and that's going to create an indent on there that you can then trace over so that you've got your lines exactly where they're indicated on your template. Now you're going to do the exact same thing with your inner ear pieces, these little teardrops on your pink cardstock or construction paper, and here those are here as well. So then once you've gotten those all traced out, you can go ahead and cut those out. We've got those guys right over here for all of our little pieces to assemble our mouse. Now, the reason why I've got the X-Acto knife here is to go ahead and cut down these scored lines. Now, I'm going to do these first two with the X-Acto just to kind of show you where you're going to go with that. But if you don't want to ask mom or dad for help, you can in fact go ahead and fold over and then cut on those scored lines so that just as easily you've got those little slits in there. So now once you've gotten those slits cut, you're going to go ahead and take your ears, kind of gently roll them over, because we need to go ahead and take this and place it through this top slit here, if you guys can see that. So go ahead and slide that through. Try and be gentle so we don't tear the paper. There we go. And then you're going to come back up through that opposite slit on the other side. So I'm going to turn it over, go ahead and slide that bit of the ear through. You can see it right like that. And then same idea, very gently pull that through and then unfold. So you've got your little ears on your mouse then. Okay, then we can go ahead and take our glue stick and we'll put some glue on the back of our little pink inner ears here. Place one on each side, give it a little press. With our hole punch that we've got, you can go ahead on that extra bit from where you'd cut off, go ahead and get a little punch and shake her out, and that becomes your mouse's nose. So we'll go ahead, put a little glue on that guy there. Same idea. Pop that right down on the front. Then go ahead and take your marker or your Sharpie, and on the front, we're gonna give our little mouse a little set of eyes. And then comes the fun part, including your candy cane, right? So, with your candy cane, you're going to come through the back here and come forward. Then push that through so that it loops in. There it goes. All right, and next, those ears become a little loop for the rest. Now, what I do is grab a pencil so it pops those ears up. So use that pencil to guide your candy cane through that little, there it is, pouch that you've created on the back. So you're gonna go under both of those and then over in the front. And there is your sweet little candy cane mouse to go ahead and hang around your house for the holidays. Now, if you want to get a little bit more fancy and if you have the supplies available, you can also make your little candy cane mouse out of felt. So it's going to be basically the exact same process as making it out of that cardstock or construction paper. You're just going to do so on some felt. I've already gone ahead and done our template onto what I'm using for the body and the ears, and the same thing, our template for the inner ear. And so go ahead and get those cut out. And there you have it, a little felt friend for your paper candy cane mice. And there you have it, 2 different options for some candy cane mice to hang around your home for the holidays. We hope that you guys have a wonderful holiday season and would love to see you again soon. Bye-bye.